Hello, I'm Allison Diva-Rosier, founder of Pathways Learning Academy. As a scientist and engineer with over 17 years of experience, I've seen how STEM can open doors to amazing opportunities. But I know that for many families, it can feel overwhelming or out of reach.
That's why I'm here, to break down barriers and make STEM exciting, accessible, and achievable for every student. Let me show you how our program can inspire your child's curiosity and help them build a foundation for lifelong success. Our in-person classes provide access to professional-grade STEM equipment, opportunities most students won't find in public schools. Our online courses, guided by industry experts, feature state-of-the-art simulations, hands-on experiments, and collaborative tools. Unlike typical STEM kits or apps, we focus on exploration, creativity, and real-world applications to empower students to see how STEM connects to their lives and future careers. Our program is designed to fit seamlessly into homeschool schedules, offering flexibility, affordability, and a collaborative environment. Through team projects and interaction with classmates and instructors, your child will build critical collaboration skills often gained in larger groups. With hands-on projects and real-world applications, they will develop a lifelong love for STEM, excel in future studies, and prepare for exciting career opportunities. Are you ready to make STEM an exciting and meaningful part of your child's education? Don't wait. Enroll in Pathways Learning Academy today to spark a lifelong passion for science, technology, engineering, and math.